The representative for accused 2 in the Joshlin Smith's disappearance case, Steveno van Rhyn, has once again put the spotlight on his alleged assault during interrogation. A new witness, who's a colonel in the Serious and Violent Crimes Unit, Edward Clark, has taken the stand today. Clark says he has no knowledge of any assault that might have taken place, adding that the accused could have lodged a complaint. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi is in court tracking that story for us and joins us live. Nasiphi, a very good afternoon to you. So now the defense is continuing on the alleged assault of the accused number 2 by the authorities. Can you just give us an update in terms of the highlights that have happened so far this morning in court?
Well, one of the questions asked by the defense is why the 2 accused were then taken to Vredenburg Hospital. And Colonel Clark responded by saying that it is standard procedure for law enforcement officers or police to take the accused before admissions or statements are taken from the accused in admitting to a crime, and even after. That is where the injuries were then noted. We also had testimony by Dr. Hendrik Nel, who observed or was the one that saw Steveno van Rhyn on the 4th or the 5th. And he noted those injuries, inquiring from him what exactly happened that led to those injuries. It is through the doctor who said that Steveno had indicated that he fell off a friend's bakkie. And with that being said, with the trial within a trial looking into the admissibility of the statements that were taken by law enforcement officers between the period of the 4th of March and the 5th of March, leading to the 3 accused being charged with human trafficking and kidnapping. We are now dealing with that particular content, the video footage that police said they had obtained. And just after the lunch adjournment, we will be able to hear that particular video of Steveno van Rhyn together with Detective Captain Siakoi. But with that being said, the judge has cautioned the use of the word confession and has requested that the witnesses rather refer to the statements and the videos that we'll be seeing as statements. And this is what Judge Erasmus had to say earlier on.
If the witness is comfortable with it, that you should rather refer to it as a statement until I've made the call. And the reason why I would advise in this way, the message out there in the public domain will be that the accused confessed. And I have not made that decision yet. So I can understand the concern, because we also know how facts have been distorted around this case in the public domain. Some people profiteering on distorting facts. So let's rather protect from our side, as far as we can, the integrity of the process.
On that note, Judge Erasmus earlier this week had cautioned the public, indicating that he has been informed of AI video footage that is circulating, distorting the proceedings of the court and ultimately undermining the processes of the court and justice. And that is why one believes, or I believe rather, that the judge made that particular ruling and asking the witnesses to rather refer to the video footage and the statements that we'll be seeing as statements. Just behind me, Katlego, what is currently happening is that now during this lunch adjournment, the state is currently looking at fixing the technical issues that we've experienced this morning and ensuring that that video is audible to the court, to also allow the defense to properly prepare when they're going to be cross-examining Detective Captain Siakoi.